now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Welcome. We are GNPC, the nation's oil company. Our core work is to find and market Ghana's growing oil reserves. We strive to lead the sustainable exploration, development, production and disposal of the petroleum resources of Ghana, as well as become a leading global oil and gas company whose operations have a profound impact on the quality of life of the people of Ghana. Down the years, we have partnered with renowned brands like Tallow, ENI Oil, Cosmos, Anadako, Petro SA, among others. How? In 2007, Jubilee, Ghana's biggest oil field, was discovered and later commissioned in 2010. Ghana's economy grew by 14.7% in 2011, triggered by the Jubilee field production in 2010. That represented a quarter of government's revenue. And that's just the beginning. The 10 field, with a capacity of about 300 million barrels, was also commissioned in August 2016. With a 20% stake, the Sankofa Jinyami field, which is expected to start oil production in 2017 and gas in 2018, will add an annual revenue of $7 billion. Some of the other fields and wells after Jubilee have been Mahogany East, Banda, Teak, Akasa, Odum, Wawa, Sapele. Because education is on top of our priorities, we've constructed 6-unit classroom blocks, each for the people of Elembele, Jomoro, Nzema East, Shama Ahanta West, and the Sekendi Takrady Municipal Assembly, and an 18-unit block for the Axim Girls Senior High School. For the love of football, we continue to fuel the passion of the Black Stars to make a consecutive 4th World Cup appearance and win our 5th AFCON title. For our greatest assets, the staff, we make sure they have the best of experiences by ensuring there is professionalism, creativity and innovation, environment, health and safety is put first, teamwork, reward of merit, respect for talent. GNPC keeps growing at a faster pace. This is us, empowering dreams.
Around your humble servant, Koforidua, and I tighten so crowd into you. That's what that Jimmy. My 277. What's your missa? How the Ben Maya? Papa, to go me so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021, dear. Mafia. First, me talk about Gary Kitwebi. They say the concrete and casa and the medigum. Papi, in the system in my thing. Has been so dear, but me I am a kama. I am young palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes.
Get Airtel Tigo.
I tell Tigo no, my dear.
It's scary, isn't it? Putting yourself out there, facing your fears. all you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside you. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate you.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
Bro, I do.
It's that time of the year again.
Abi, you know, we made it last year. What be the challenge for today?
Time travel is possible. All we have to do is find E.
This one day, we could need more time for that.
But we have the best data bundles.
Yeah, we will see.
Do more with Ghana's best data bundles on Airtel Tigo. Big time data, Sika Coco, Morning Rush, and other amazing offers. Dial *111# now.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2022 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. This is the 24th contest at this stage. And in this contest, we have Koforidua Secondary Technical School, Acherensua Senior High School, and Adisadel College. Let's meet the contestants. Koforidua Secondary Technical School is represented by
Intim Kumi Paris Smith. Adam Francis Yeboah.
Koforidua Secondary Technical. How has the NSMQ experience been for you this year?
So far the experience has been nice.
Okay. What should we expect from you today?
Nothing but the best.
Okay. Best wishes to you. Acherensua Senior High School is represented by
Ufuri Henry Amanfo. Adu Charles.
Okay. How about you at Acherensua Senior High School? How has the experience been?
Well, it's been good, because we started all the way from the regional level, and by the grace of God, we've been able to come to the 1/8 stage.
Okay, so what shall we expect from you today?
Nothing but the best.
Okay, best wishes to you as well. And then finally, Adisadel College is represented by
LV Atta.
Abdul Wadud Abdul Mumi.
Okay. Adisadel College, you are a seeded school, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. How has your experience been this year?
We've been learning a lot.
Okay.
We've been learning from the other contests.
Okay. So what should we expect?
That the glory of the Lord will come to play today.
Okay. Best wishes to you. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Puma Drinks, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD, and YFM. I am Dr. Thelma Hineje from the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. To our schools, we'll have this contest in 5 rounds. In round 1, where we'll begin, a series of questions to test your knowledge of fundamental concepts in physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics will be asked. If a question comes to your school and it involves calculations, you have 30 seconds to give an answer. If there are no calculations, I'll take your answer in 10 seconds in one attempt. If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, another school can take up that question. And if they answer correctly, they would have 1 point. However, if the answer to that bonus question is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll start with Koforidua Secondary Technical School. This is a preamble to all the schools. Find the number n of terms such that the sum of the first n terms of the given linear series is 0. Find the number n of terms such that the sum of the first n terms of the given linear series is 0. Koforidua Sectech, 50 plus 46 plus 42 plus 38 plus, and on it goes. Yes, in team.
We have 26.
Yes, that's correct. Acherensua Senior High School, minus 36, minus 30, minus 24, minus 18, minus. Yes, Charles.
N is equal to 13.
Yes, that's correct. Adisadel College, 100 plus 80 plus 60 plus 40 plus. Yes.
N is equal to 11.
That's correct. A preamble. Distinguish between voluntary and involuntary muscles with respect to the following. Koforidua sectec, the nervous system that controls them. A bonus. Yes, a bonus for Adisadel.
So for the voluntary, it is the central nervous system. And for the involuntary, it is the autonomic nervous system.
Okay, that's correct. Acherensua. Energy requirements for contraction and relaxation. Yes.
Voluntary requires energy for contraction and realization, but involuntary does not require energy for contraction and realization.
2 out of 3. Adisadel College, intercalated disc. Intercalated disc. Yes, Abdul Wadud.
This one. So the intercalated discs are present in voluntary muscles but are absent in involuntary muscles.
No. Okay. So it's actually the other way around. Intercalated discs are not found in voluntary muscles, but they are found in involuntary muscles like cardiac muscle. And Acherensua, so it's not that involuntary muscles do not require energy, but more energy is needed for the voluntary. Okay? That's why I give you partial mark. A preamble. A uniform disk of mass M and radius R rotates about an axis through its center and perpendicular to its plane at angle frequency W. For the given set of values, find the kinetic energy of the disk. I'll take that again. A uniform disk of mass M and radius R rotates about an axis through its center and perpendicular to its plane at angular frequency W. Find the given set of values. For the given set of values, find the kinetic energy of the disk. Koforidua sectec, M equals 2.0 kilogram. R equals 0.025 meters, and the angular frequency equals 15 radians per second. Yes.
Okay. Madam, we have 4.7 times 10 exponent negative 6 joules.
No. A bonus. Okay. Acherensua, M equals 3.0 kilogram, R equals 0.40 meters, and the angular frequency equals 25 radians per second. Yes, Henry.
We have 1.5 times 10 to the power 2 joules.
No. A bonus to Adisadel College.
75 joules.
That is correct. Adisadel, M equals 6.0 kilogram, R equals 0.25 meters, and the angular frequency is 16 radians per second. Yes, LV.
24 joules.
That is correct. Okay, so here, the kinetic energy equals the mass, multiply the radius squared, multiplies the angular frequency squared over 4. And so, Koforidua Sectec, your answer would have come to 0.070 joules. Another preamble. Give the most likely molecular geometry of each of the following molecules given. Give the most likely molecular geometry of each of the following molecules given Koforidua Sectec. 2 bonding electron pairs and 0 non-bonding electron pair. Yes, in team.
Linear.
Yes, that's correct. Acherensua, 3 bonding electron pairs and 1 non-bonding electron pair. Yes, Charles.
Trigonal planar.
Repeat that.
Trigonal planar.
No. A bonus to Koforidua Sectec.
Trigonal pyramidal.
That's correct. Adisadel College, 2 bonding electron pairs and 1 non-bonding electron pair. Yes, LV.
Bent.
Yes, that's correct. A preamble. Mention one of the main steps involved in rhizobium nodulation process. Mention one of the main steps involved in rhizobium nodulation process. I'll start with Koforidua Sectec.
Okay, we have breakdown of nitrates into nitrite.
No. Acherensua Senior High School.
Atmospheric nitrogen is converted to nitrogenous compound. That's neutrification.
No. Adisadel College. Yes.
Nitrogen fixation.
No. So these are the main steps involved in rhizobium nodulation process. Attraction and multiplication of the rhizobium, attachment to the root surface, root hair curling, formation of infection, and nodule formation. A preamble, express in partial fractions. Express in partial fractions. Koforidua Sectec, the expression 5x minus 1 over the expression x squared minus x minus 2.
In partial fraction, I have 3 on 3 on x minus 2, then plus 2 on x plus 1.
That's correct. Acherensua Senior High School, the expression x plus 7 over the expression x squared minus x minus 6. Yes.
Okay, we have 12 over 5 into bracket x minus 3. X minus 3.
Are you done? Are you done with your answer? No, Acherensua, are you done with your answer? Okay, go ahead.
5 over 5 bracket open s minus 3 plus 1 over s plus 2.
No. And I'll allow Adisadel to answer.
So 2 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x plus 2.
That's correct. Adisadel. The expression x plus 6 over the expression x squared minus 4. Yes, LV.
So 2 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x plus 2.
That's correct. A preamble. Sulfur 31 decays by beta plus emission to phosphorus 31, a stable nuclide with a half-life of 2.55 seconds. Sulfur 31 decays by beta plus emission to phosphorus 31, a stable nuclide with a half-life of 2.55 seconds. Koforidua Sectec. Find the decay constant and mean life of sulfur 31. Okay, a bonus to Adisadel.
The decay constant is 0.277 per second, and the mean life is 3.68 seconds.
No. Acherensua Senior High School. A sample of sulfur 31 has an initial activity of 82.5 becquerel. Find the number of phosphorus 31 atoms in the sample after 20.4 seconds. Yes.
Okay, we have 4.
No. Okay. Adisadel. An old sample contains 7.50 times 10 to the power 6 phosphorus 31 atoms, attributed exclusively to sulfur 31 decay. Find the initial activity of the sample. Yes, Abdul Wadud.
3.47 times 10 exponent 6 becquerel.
No. A bonus to Koforidua Sectec.
2.31 by 10 exponent 6 becquerel.
No. Koforidua Sectec, your answer was decay constant is 0.272 per second, and then mean life is 3.68 seconds. Acherensua, the number of phosphorus 31 atoms was 302. And then Adisadel, the initial activity was 2.04 megabecquerel. A preamble. You will be given a standard reduction potential of 2 half cells. Calculate the standard electrode potential E0 for a spontaneous reaction likely to occur between the 2 half cells and indicate the cathode and anode materials. I'll take that again. You'll be given standard reduction potentials of 2 half cells. Calculate the standard electrode potential E0 for a spontaneous reaction likely to occur between the 2 half cells and indicate the cathode and anode materials. Koforidua Sectec, RB plus / RB as minus 2.943 volts and Mg2 plus / Mg as negative 2.378 volts. Yes, in team.
Okay. The EMF is positive 0.565 volt, and the anode will be RB metal, and the cathode will be Mg2 plus ions.
Oh, 2 out of 3. Okay, no, actually, that's right. That's right. Acherensua CR3 plus / CR as negative 0.729 volts and BE2 plus / BE as negative 1.989 volts. Yes, Charles.
The E naught is 1.260 volt, and the cathode material is Cr solid, and the anode material is Be2 plus aqueous.
2 out of 3. Adisadel, Ag plus / Ag as plus 0.790 volts and Fe2 plus / Fe as minus 0.445 volts. Yes, LV.
So the E max is, that's E naught, 1.235 volts. That's positive. And the anode is Fe, and the cathode is Ag plus.
That's correct. Okay. So Acherensua's question, I'll give full marks. That brings us to the end of round 1.
Today, the question is no longer, why do we have problems? But rather, how can we spin those challenges into opportunities? This is the revolutionary mindset we, students here at Academic City, are driven by. Academic City, we believe that the challenges of today are nothing like the opportunities of tomorrow. Hence, we're poised for the future. And so we say,
come join us.
Pakuli.
Biasonyani.
Uyai Tibatania.
Zafula Nadia.
Viens nous rejoindre.
Brabe Kayan. Ao, Amanasat Shame Hojao.
As we lead the charge to empower the next generation of future leaders. Academic City University College, redefining university education.
At the end of round 1, here are the scores. Acherensua Senior High School, 8 points. Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 12 points. Adisadel College, 17 points. Round 2. Round 2 is a speed race. And here, each question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. If you have an answer and you ring your bell, I'll stop and allow you to give the answer. If your answer is correct on the first attempt, you earn 3 points. On the second attempt, it's worth 2 points. On the third attempt, it's worth 1 point. So the schools you can keep ringing your bell if you haven't rang before, and I would allow you. And it depends on the attempt on which you make your answer. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. So our first question. A student complained of having difficulty in seeing things in dim light. A doctor tested his eyesight and prescribed a particular vitamin supplement. Yes, Koforidua Sectec.
We have retinol.
No. I'll continue. He also advised him to include a few food items in his diet. Which deficiency disease is Adisadel?
So the deficiency disease is night blindness.
Yes, that's correct. What name is given to the rasping organ?
Radula.
That's correct. Adisadel College. Our next question. Give one of the 2 main functions of myelin sheath. Yes, Abdul Wadud.
Myelin sheath help to insulate the axon.
That's correct. Evaluate the expression log to the base 5 of 64 times log to the base 8 of 125. Koforidua Sectec. Yes, in team.
6.
That's correct. Express 67.5 degrees in radians, given your answer in terms of pi. Koforidua Sectec. Yes, in team.
We have 3 on 50 pi radians.
No. Acherensua.
9 pi on 25 radian.
Repeat that.
9 pi on 25 radian.
No. Okay. It's 3 pi on 8 radians. Eliminate theta from the equations. X equals 1 minus sine theta, y equals 1 plus cos theta. Koforidua Sectec.
We have the expression 1 minus x, that expression squared, plus the expression y minus 1, that expression 2 squared equals 1.
That's correct. Find the magnitude of the electric field, 1.5 millimeters, from an isolated alpha particle. Okay, it's 1.3 times 10 to the power negative 3 volts per meter. An incompressible fluid flows through a 5.0 centimeter diameter section of a pipe network at 16 meters per second. Find the speed of the fluid in another section of the network where the pipe diameter is 4.0 centimeters. Adisadel.
25 meters per second.
That's correct. A student creates a model of the simple cubic crystal structure by stacking and gluing together identical spheres, each of radius 5 times 10 to the power negative 3 meters. What is the particle number density of her crystal? It's 10 to the power 6 per meter cube. Okay. 5.80 milligram of a radioisotope has a half-life of 7.4 hours. and it is required for diagnosis in a hospital. If it takes 29.6 hours to transport it from the laboratory to the hospital, what is the minimum amount of radionuclide that should be? Koforidua Sectec. Your answer.
Okay. We have 0.363 milligrams.
No. Adisadel College.
3.63 by 10 exponent -4 grams. That way.
No. (92.8 milligrams). Determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction. CH3CHO plus O2 goes into H2O plus CO2. Koforidua Sectec.
Okay. So we have the answer to be equal to
Koforidua Sectec, your answer.
9.
No, Adisadel College.
11.
Repeat that.
11.
No. Acherensua.
8.
No. It's 15. 15. What is the empirical formula of 2,2-butanediol? Who rang the bell? Adisadel.
C2H5O.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. Baby at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, city check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long tail. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Gold Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead with expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At the end of round 2, here are the scores. Acherensua Senior High School, 6 points. Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 14 points. Adisadel College, 29 points. Before we go on to round 3, Koforidua Secondary Technical School would like Gideon Abuni to come on for Francis Yeboah. Okay, welcome, Gideon. Round 3. Round 3 is the round of the problem of the day. And this problem of the day is a common problem that is presented to all the schools at the same time. They have 4 minutes to provide a solution on the screen. At the end of 4 minutes, I would assess the solution, and then I would explain the solution as has been given by the consultant. The problem of the day is worth a maximum of 10 points. And in this round, any school that earns a perfect score of 10 points is rewarded. And this is what we call the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. Like I've mentioned, this star will be given to the school that earns a perfect score of 10 points for the problem of the day. A star at this stage is worth 2,400 Ghana cedis to the team. So that's something to look forward to. You can turn over your sheet so we read the problem of the day together. The compound with the molecular formula C5H10O has several isomeric compounds. Write the names of all isomers of the compound that are non-branched unsaturated alcohols. Which of these isomers can exhibit both geometric and optical isomerism? Start with. Stop work. Take your seats. The schools have presented their solutions on the screen. I've looked at it, so I'll go through the solution as has been provided by the consultant, and then let on the marks. So they were told that a compound with molecular formula C5H10O has several isomeric compounds. They were to write the names of all the isomers of the compound that are non-branched unsaturated alcohols, and to indicate which can exhibit both geometric and optical isomerism. The key word here was that the compound has to be an alcohol, it has to be unsaturated and non-branched. Okay, so these are the isomers I was expecting. 4-pentene-1-ol or pent-4-ene-1-ol. I'll go with the simpler names. 4-pentene-1-ol, 4-pentene-2-ol, 1-pentene-3-ol, 1-pentene-2-ol, 3-pentene-1-ol, 3-pentene-2-ol, 2-pentene-3-ol, 2-pentene-2-ol, and then 2-pentene-1-ol. The one that exhibits both geometric and optical isomerism is 3-pentene-2-ol. From the solutions, I'm not sure what happened with Koforidua Sectec. You were given a 5-carbon chain alcohol that was non-branched, but all your structures were butene of a 4-carbon one. They had 0. They didn't get any correct. Acherensua Senior High School. You also told that the isomers should be unsaturated, and all the compounds you gave were saturated. You gave pentanol. They also had 0. Adisadel College. I don't know why you were told to give an alcohol. Your first compound decided to give an alkanone. Is it that you didn't read the question or you were in a hurry? But luckily for them, they were able to write the names of 4 of the isomers, so they have 4 out of 10. That brings us to the end of round 3.
Chat to us anytime, anywhere. Access our virtual assistant, the APSA bot, 24/7. That's Africanacity. That's APSA.
Already your humble servant Koforidua. And a tight no so cry into him. I swear that Jimmy. My 277. Was he a missa? Had the been my Papa to go miss so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021 dear. Mafia. First me talk about Gary Kitwebi. Say the concrete and casa and the midi gummy. Papi, in the system in my day. Has been so dear, but me I am a kama. A jamian palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
I tell Tigo no, my dear DDM.
At the end of round 3, the scores are Acherensua Senior High School 6 points, Koforidua Tech 14 points, Adisadel College 33 points. Before we go on to round 4, Acherensua Senior High School would like Philip Ejenim to come on for Charles Edu. Welcome, Philip. Round 4. In this round, for every statement that comes to your school, I want you to tell me if it's true or false. So those are the only answers I'm expecting, true or false. If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If you decline to answer, another school can take up your question by ringing their bell. And then if they answer correctly, they would also have 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, they have a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll start with Koforidua Tech. Koforidua Tech. This is a preamble to all the schools, actually. The given number is a prime number. Koforidua Tech 113. Yes, Gideon.
True.
Yes, it's true. Acherensua 133. Philip.
True.
No, it's false. Adisadel 173. Abdul Adud.
True.
Yes, it's true. A preamble indicates whether the following are true or false with respect to the aqueous humor of the mammalian eye. Koforidua Tech. It acts as a reflective medium.
False.
No, it's true. Acherensua. It regulates the intraocular pressure in the eye. Yes, Philip.
True.
Yes, it's true. Adisadel. It is present in the full length of the cornea and the iris, in the anterior and the posterior chamber.
False.
No, it's true. Koforidua Tech. If the current in an inductor is constant, the energy it stores is proportional to the square of the current in it.
False.
No, it's true. Acherensua, if the current in an inductor is changing, the inductor fails to capture all the magnetic energy. Yes, Philip.
It's true.
No, it's false. Adisadel College. If the current in an inductor is changing, the energy it stores changes at a rate that depends on the current, as well as the rate of change of the current.
True.
Yes, it's true. Koforidua sectec. The molecule with molecular formula C3H6 may exhibit geometric isomerism. Yes, Gideon.
False.
Yes, it's false. Acherensua, the molecule with molecular formula C4H8 may exhibit geometric isomerism. Philip.
False.
No, it's true. Adisadel. The molecule with molecular formula C5H12 may exhibit optical isomerism.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble indicates whether the following are true or false with respect to the group which shares the maximum number of common characters. Indicates if the following is true or false with respect to the group which shares the maximum number of common characters. Koforidua sectec. Two genera of a family. Two genera of a family.
False.
Yes, it's false. Acherensua, two species of a genus. Philip.
It's true.
No, it's false. Adisadel, two individuals of a species.
True.
Yes, it's true. Koforidua sectec. 11 on 6 is greater than 23 on 12.
False.
Yes, it's false. Acherensua, 15 on 3 is less than 13 on 11. Yes, Philip.
False.
No, it's true. Adisadel. "19 on 13 is less than 11 on 7. Yes.
True.
No, yes, it's true. It's true. Koforidua sectec. The total energy of a simple harmonic oscillator is constant, but its kinetic and potential energies vary with time.
True.
Yes, it's true. Acherensua, the kinetic energy of a simple harmonic oscillator is less than its potential energy at the point where its potential energy is minimum. Yes, Philip.
It's true.
No, it's false. Adisadel. There is no point along the path of a simple harmonic oscillator at which its kinetic energy is less than its potential energy.
False.
Yes, it's false. Koforidua sectec. All group 1 metals react intensely with water.
True.
Yes, it's true. Acherensua. The reactivity of group 1 metals with water increases down the group without exception. Yes, Philip.
It's false.
No, it's true. Adisadel, and this is the last question for the round. Adisadel. Group 1 metals are light and are less dense than water. Group 1 metals are light and less dense than water. Yes, Abdul Wadud.
False.
Yes, that is false. That brings us to the end of round 4. Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 27 points. Adisadel College, 46 points. Round 5. In this final round of the contest, I'll present to you a series of clues for 4 different riddles. I want you to solve for these riddles by using the clues. The clues should assist you. So at any time, if you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give the answer. If your answer is correct on the first clue, you have 5 points. So on the second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, you have 3 points. However, if your answer is incorrect, you stay out of that particular riddle and come back for the next one. Okay? Also in this round, God seeks to reward a school that's able to solve 3 or 4 of the riddles correctly. If you're able to solve 3 out of 4, you win 1,200 cedis. Solve all 4, you win 1,600 cedis. What we call the God Riddle Bonanza. Best wishes to all of you in the God Riddle Bonanza. Our first riddle. I taste so sweet, but contain no sugar. Indeed, I am a sugar substitute, commonly used in foods and beverages. I am a low-calorie artificial sweetener. I am about 200 times sweeter than sucrose. I am a methyl ester of aspartic acid. Am I? Adisadel.
Aspartic.
That's correct. That came on the last clue. They had 3 points. I am a physical quantity. I am not a conserved quantity. I am a type of energy. I am not gravitational. Neither am I electromagnetic, nor am I elastic. I equal the difference between the energy of an object as observed in a moving frame and the energy of the same object in its rest frame. Yes, Adisadel College. Adisadel.
Relativistic kinetic energy.
Repeat that.
Relativistic kinetic energy.
No. Koforidua Sec.
Kinetic energy.
That's correct. I am a theory of biological evolution. I designate a distinctive form of evolutionary explanation for the history and diversity of life on Earth. Though I am usually used to refer strictly to biological evolution, creationists have appropriated me to refer to the origin of life or to cosmic evolution that are distinct to biological evolution. While I have remained in use among the public, when referring to modern evolutionary theory, it has increasingly been argued by science writers that I am an inappropriate term for modern evolutionary theory. The theory states that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of Koforidua Sec.
Darwin's theory of evolution.
And develop through the natural selection of small inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. I am the name given to the theory of evolution, which originates with the work of the Englishman Charles Robert. Adisadel.
Theory of natural selection.
No. Charles Robert Darwin, particularly as expounded in his work On the Origin of Species in 1859. Who am I?
Darwin's theory.
No. And we may have to come back to this, but the answer I have here is Darwinism. Our last riddle. I am a 2-digit number. Forward or backward, the value is the same. Yes, Koforidua Sector.
88.
No. Acherensua.
11.
Huh?
11.
No. Adisadel. The sum of my digits is the base of the decimal number system. The difference of my digits is the identity for addition. I am a product of 2 primes, which differ by a product of 2 successive primes. I am midway between 5 decades and 6 decades. Who am I? Yes, Adisadel College.
55.
That is correct. That brings us to the end of round 5.
We are offering our new and over 26 million existing customers worldwide an absolutely free COVID-19 cover. Yes, absolutely free. A couple of reasons. The satisfaction of knowing that you know we care. It's in conformity with who we are, the core of identity. We have a value of initiative that constantly drives us and to push the bar. We have a mantra, always listening, always understanding, and we back that up. Customer satisfaction is important to us. We have been doing this for over 170 years. We have honored our promise throughout the years. We were there in 1848 during the cholera pandemic, the sinking of the Titanic in 1912, through World Wars I and II, 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, through the decade of the Great Depression, 2002 SARS outbreak. And we certainly have every intention of honoring claims for this 2020 coronavirus pandemic. Hi, my name is Razak Abdul, and I'm the head of customer service here at Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. I invite you all to join the Prudential Life family today.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. Maybe at the day I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long tail. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
At the end of round 5, here are the scores. Acherensua Senior High School, 1 point. Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 30 points. Adisadel College, 52 points. With that score, Adisadel College is the 24th school to qualify for the quarter-final stage of the National Championship. Congratulations, Adisadel. Koforidua Secondary Technical School, thank you for joining us. We hope to see you next year with a stronger performance. Same goes to Acherensua Senior High School. We hope to see you next year with a much improved performance. To my audience, thank you for joining us for this contest. Congratulations once again to Adisadel College for winning this contest and qualifying to the quarter-final stage. If your score remains the highest for the day, you'd also win the Airtel Tigo Highest Scorer Award. At this stage, it is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, GOAL, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD, and YFM. I am Thelma Ohinie, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Thank you and see you soon.
Every now and again, GOIL makes good things happen. This time, GOIL has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. GOIL Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. GOIL Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. GOIL Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with GOIL Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. GOIL has that sorted. GOIL, good energy.
Tap into the convenience of Absa contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy, and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's Absa.